Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Acceleration.
What does the dictionary say?
The act of accelerating. Increase of speed or velocity.
Math rap.
To speed from 0 to more at any rate that increases speed means accelerate. Acceleration is how fast. Velocity ranges. Watch for the time and distance change. To speed from 0 to more at any rate that increases speed means accelerate. Acceleration is how fast. Velocity ranges. Watch for the time and distance changes.
Math rap.
Explain acceleration in your own words. Hurry up! Answer faster! How fast can you make a paper plane accelerate? Does design matter? What mammals on Earth possess quick acceleration? What objects created by humans have quick acceleration? What land animal can you accelerate faster than? What is the highest point of acceleration you can reach on a bike? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!